Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot and how to chain. Okay, so I'm just using some acrylic yarn and my 6mm hook. Okay, to make a slip knot you need to leave a tail about that long, and you need to make a loop here. So I just pick up this end and loop it over. Okay, so just loop it over the top of this yarn. Okay, so once you've done that, you just want to take your thumb and finger, put it inside the loop, and you want to pick up this yarn. So inside the loop and hold it there. Okay, take these two ends and pull it through. Okay, again, so you take the yarn, loop it over, put your finger and thumb in the loop, and you want to pull up this one. So in the loop, grab onto this piece, hold on to the two ends, and pull it through. Okay, loop it over, finger and thumb in the loop, grab the yarn, hold the two ends, and pull that through. Okay, if I'm going too fast you can always slow down the video. Loop it over, finger and thumb in the loop, grab the yarn there, okay, hold on to the two ends and pull that through. Okay, make a loop, put your finger and thumb in the loop, grab that yarn there and pull it through. Okay, and you can just do that over and over and do it. Make a loop, put your finger and thumb in the loop, grab the yarn, hold the two ends, pull it through. Alright, I'll show you once more. Make a loop, put your finger and thumb in the loop, grab that yarn, hold the two ends and pull it through. Alright. Okay, so once you've mastered the slip knot, this piece here is called the tail, and this is your working yarn, the one that's attached. Okay, so that's your tail there. So next I'll show you how to make a chain. This took me a while when I was new. So, okay, I put my hook in the slip knot. I tighten it up a bit. Okay, so I have my tail on that side and my working yarn on this side. Okay, and then I hold the slip knot here, and then all I do is I put the hook in front of the yarn. Okay, so my hook goes in front of the working yarn and then under the hook, and all I do is pull it through. Right, so do this nice and loose while you get used to it. So your hook goes in front of the yarn and then under the hook and pull it through the loop. Okay. In front, the yarn goes under the hook and pull it through the loop. Alright. Again, the hook goes in front of the yarn, under the hook, pull it through. In front of the yarn, under the hook, pull it through. In front of the yarn, under the hook, and pull it through. Okay. And as you're practicing, you can just pull it out, start again. Okay. Hook in front of the yarn, under the hook, pull it through. Okay, in front of the yarn, under the hook, pull it through. In front of the yarn, under the hook, and pull it through. All right. Okay, and I will leave a link to my beginners playlist in the description. Okay. Right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.